If you're a busy professional trying to balance work and a clean home, these 5 cutting-edge cleaning gadgets of 2025 will be your new best friends. Let's jump right in. Kicking off our list is a gadget that redefines precision cleaning, the Dyson PencilVac cordless vacuum. We've all been there, frustrated by crumbs and dust in spots our regular vacuums just can't reach. Dyson's answer is this engineering marvel. With an astonishingly slim 38mm diameter, it's designed to go where others can't, from the tightest automotive crevices to the awkward gaps behind your furniture. But don't let its slender frame fool you. At its core is Dyson's powerful hyperdymium motor, spinning it up to 125,000 RPM to generate uncompromising suction. This isn't just a touch-up tool, it's a deep cleaning powerhouse in a pencil-thin package. It also features a fully sealed filtration system that traps 99.99% of microscopic particles, ensuring the air it expels is clean. Its versatility is where it truly shines. Think beyond the floor. It's perfect for quickly clearing dust from bookshelves, cleaning out keyboards, or tackling those pesky crumbs that gather along your kitchen counters and windowsills. For busy professionals, it's the ultimate tool for maintaining a pristine workspace and a spotless car with minimal effort. The lightweight design means you can grab it for any quick cleanup without a second thought. A key pro is its hygienic, no-touch bin emptying system. A simple click, and the job is done. The main trade-off, of course, is its smaller dustbin capacity, which makes it ideal for targeted spot cleaning rather than whole room sessions. It's the perfect companion to your main vacuum, not a replacement. Gadget number 2 is the BSTY dual-action cordless floor washer, a game-changer for anyone who values a pristine home but is short on time. This isn't just a vacuum or a mop, it's a revolutionary 2-in-1 cleaning powerhouse designed to tackle your floors with unparalleled efficiency. Its core strength lies in its dual-action technology. It combines powerful cyclonic suction to lift away dry debris like crumbs and pet hair, while the integrated steam mop simultaneously tackles sticky, dried-on messes. The high-temperature steam dissolves grime and sanitizes your floors, eliminating 99.9% of common household bacteria without a single harsh chemical. It's a deep clean, all in one effortless pass. For the busy professional, this means no more sweeping before you mop, spilled coffee before a morning meeting, muddy paw prints after a rainy day. The BSTY handles it all, turning a multi-step chore into a quick, satisfying task. Its cordless design gives you the freedom to move from the kitchen to the living room without being tethered to a wall outlet. A key feature is its intelligent dual-tank system, which ensures you're always cleaning with fresh water, unlike a traditional mop that just spreads dirt around. The dirty water is collected in a separate container for easy disposal. And here's a pro tip: after you're done, place it on its docking station and activate the self-cleaning cycle. It automatically flushes the brush roll and internal tubing, so it's clean, odor-free, and ready for your next mess. Gadget number 3. The Steam Shot Omni. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals. This handheld steam cleaner uses pure pressurized steam to sanitize kitchens, bathrooms, and workspaces. It's small, powerful, and perfect for a quick refresh before guests or video calls. Gadget number 4. The Beatbot AquaSense Pool Cleaning Robot. This smart cleaner uses Clearwater TM Tech, a natural filtration process that keeps your pool crystal clear without harsh chemicals. It saves time and effort, perfect for busy professionals who want their weekends back. Gadget number 5. The Ecovacs DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone, a smart robot vacuum that literally cleans for you. With a bagless auto-emptying system and powerful suction, it handles dust, crumbs, and pet hair, giving you spotless floors without lifting a finger.
You clean. It twists.
And that concludes our deep dive into the 5 essential cleaning gadgets that are set to redefine efficiency for busy professionals in 2025. We've journeyed through some truly remarkable innovations, each designed to tackle a specific challenge in maintaining a pristine living and working environment. We saw the PencilVac, a master of reaching those tight, forgotten spaces. Then, the BSTY garment steamer, proving that wrinkle-free confidence is just a quick pass away. We witnessed the raw power of the steam shot, effortlessly blasting away grime from hard surfaces, and the serene efficiency of the AquaSense, keeping your pool immaculate with minimal effort. Finally, the Ecovacs DEEBOT, the intelligent heart of a clean home, mapping and mopping its way to perfection. These aren't just tools, they're investments in your most valuable asset, your time. By automating and simplifying cleaning, they free you up to focus on what truly matters. Whether that's crushing your career goals, spending quality time with loved ones, or simply enjoying a moment of peace in a beautifully maintained space, the future of cleaning is smart, powerful, and seamlessly integrated into our lives. Now we want to hear from you. Which of these gadgets would make the biggest difference in your daily routine? Was it the deep cleaning steamer or the smart autonomous vacuum? Let us know in the comments below which one you try first. Your feedback helps shape our future content. And if you found this roundup helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves tech, and most importantly, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next tech roundup. Thanks for watching.